My dear student, today I am here in Kolkata, Victoria Palace Garden. Really, it's an advantageous thing for all of us that Britishers have left something for us like this, and we are watching it. But what I can say about the peoples of the city and all, the peoples are not maintaining cleanness here. Not too much cleanness going on, but still it needed. My dear student, I want to confirm one thing that 31st today we have 31st December 2021 over. In that we all have completed lots of things as a teacher, as a director. What I can say about the 2021, it was like a something different task we all had completed in that 2021, and we all are waiting for tomorrow, that was 1st January. That one is 2022 1st January, and we have a new concept, new things for the student, for the teachers and all. I know you all are bored from all these speeches and all, but I want to clear one thing: when you grown up and when we have a time to realize it, that whatever our ancestor, our teachers, as a faculty, whatever they all have completed and given us the speeches, delivered the speeches for all of us, we are experiencing it in our daily life in the same routine. You will experience it after some time. Today I am feeling very good. After a long time I have completed solo trip, and it's very good for me and for my life. It's an opportunity that today I am covering it, and here I am on educational tour that I will go for something good for my student, and for something that they will learn more and more, and that what the difference between the our and the metro cities students, just I am deciding it. But I am getting that we are doing well, and we have a more moral values in comparison to the other cities. And bye bye 2021. Tomorrow again I will meet you, my dear students, and then I will tell you more about the 2021, because tomorrow my trip will start for the Mayapur, Gurukula, ISKCON temple and all. Today I am in Victoria Place. After that I will go for MP Birla. Thank you, student.
An exciting morning to all my respected guardians and my loving students. Today is the last day of this year, 31st December 2021. And we all faced lots of ups and downs in this year, but no need to lose the hope. And from our past year also, we have learned lots of things, because in last 2 years there's totally pandemic year were there, and we all learned lots of lessons, how we have to just tackle out from the situation efficiently, how we have to tackle out from the that things efficiently. We have learned lots of things from that pandemic years also. So always our past are giving us a good lesson, and if something bad happened, so no need to think about that, because time is too precious for all of us. If single minute is gone, so never ever it will be come back again. So no need to waste your time. Without wasting your single minute, just take all the things as an opportunity and move forward with the new things. And as we all know that tomorrow is the 1st January 2022, so just plan all the things ambitiously with for the new year, and just take a new resolution, and whatever the things you all have not completed in your past years, just in that pandemic, whatever you all have not completed, now need to think about that also. And with good zeal and enthusiasm, we have to move forward with it. And student, if you just keep 3 mantras in your mind, and definitely you will get success in your life. The 3 mantras are patience, perfection, and perseverance. If you will follow all these 3 mantras, so definitely you will get success in your life. So whatever the resolution you all have taken, we have to just complete all that, and whatever the pending things you have need to complete in this year, just take a new resolution. And definitely, if you will follow all three mantra, so you will get success in your life. And may this upcoming year bring lots of happiness and good opportunities for you all, and you all will just complete all that things whatever you desire.